Hey everyone, welcome to Grammar Mechanics. Before starting the video, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let us begin today's video. So a few weeks ago, we discussed the four present tenses, and there's another branch in the types of tenses, which is the four past tenses. So that is the topic that we're going to be discussing in today's video. So there are actually four types of past tenses, which is simple past tense, perfect past tense, past continuous tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Let's get to work. The first type of tense on our list today is simple past tense. So this is actually for actions that started and finished at a specific time in the past. So it's like a single point on the timeline. You use it when the action is over and you know exactly when it happened. So because of that, you add ed or d depending on the verb. So the structure of this is subject plus verb plus ed. For example, Sarah danced, and you add a d because there's already an e, dance. So this is simple past because that's happening. That happened. You know that is over and that happened. Now the past continuous. So this describes an action that was in progress at a specific moment in the past that was happening. Okay, so the structure of this is subject plus was or were showing that it was the past plus verb plus ing showing that that was happening. I was doing that or that action was actually happening. So you use this to set the scene or to show an action that was interrupted by a shorter event. So that shorter event could be the simple past tense. So for example, I was watching a movie when the phone rang. Here it is showing that I was watching. I add the ing to show that it was happening when the phone rang. When the phone rang shows that it happened. Okay, so that is the simple past tense. Now, the past perfect. So this is the past of the past. So it is used to show which of the two past actions happened first. So there were two actions happening in the past, and past perfect basically shows what happened first. The structure of this is subject plus had, showing that it was the past plus past participle. Okay, so you use this to clarify the sequence of the events so the listener knows which one happened earlier. So in this sentence, the movie had already started when I arrived. So it has started, the movie started when I arrived. So it shows that the movie started before I arrived. I was late for the movie. Now, the last but not the least, past perfect continuous tense. So this actually shows that an action started in the past and it was continuing up until another point in the past. So an action started in the past and it happened until something else happened in the past. So it emphasizes the duration or the cause of the past result. The structure is subject plus had been like it was happening or was doing like that, plus verb plus ing. Because it was continuous, you add ing. Alright, now you use this when you want to highlight how long something was happening before something else stopped. So how long the action in the past was happening until the new action stopped it. Alright, okay. So the example is I had been watching movie for 3 hours before I finally went to bed. So it's showing that I was watching movies for 3 hours before I finally went to bed. Okay, now the summary table, like always, you can pause the video or take a screenshot of it so you can revise the whole topic for any big test or exam. Now, here are the questions. You can pause the video for a few seconds if you want more time. Alright, I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds. Now, this is the answer key. Okay, so here is the answer and also the type in front of it, so you're more clear about the whole concept. That's it for this video. Make sure to give me topics you want me to make the next video on.